Welcome to myprojectbazaar.com. Project title: A Novel Approach for Efficient Usage of Intrusion Detection System in Mobile Ad Hoc Networks. Let's see the abstract. In general, a mobile ad hoc network is a self-configuring infrastructure of dynamic wireless networks in which the nodes are resource constrained. Intrusion detection systems are used in MANET to monitor the activities so as to detect any intrusion in the otherwise vulnerable network. In this project, we present efficient schemes for analyzing and optimizing the time duration for which the intrusion detection systems need to remain active in a mobile ad hoc network. A probabilistic model is proposed that makes use of cooperation between the IDS among neighborhood nodes to reduce their individual active time. Usually, an IDS has to run all the time on every node to oversee the network behavior. This can turn out to be a cost overhead for a battery-powered mobile device in terms of power and computational resources. Hence, in this work, our aim is to reduce the duration of active time of IDS without compromising on their effectiveness. To validate our proposed approach, we model the interactions between the IDS as a multiplayer cooperative game in which the players have partially cooperative and partially competing goals. We theoretically analyze this game and support it with the simulation results. Now see the flow diagram. First, the network is formed with the number of nodes. These number of nodes, that is, each node have installed with the IDS components. Then the usage of IDS, that is intrusion detection system, is processed. It monitors the traffic and the malicious activities of the network. In this, it is done by the RDK algorithm. This algorithm entails the neighbor information and it processes the monitoring activities of malicious nodes. It is processed as the request and the reply messages in the root. If a malicious node is present in the node, then it generates the restrictive messages and declare as the attacker node and inform in the root, and again it monitors the traffic to choose the another path. If it is a normal node, that is not malicious, then it declares a high degree messages and it provides the data transmission with these advertisement messages, and finally the performance is analyzed between the existing and the proposed system. Let's see the running procedure. First, open the terminal window. Then go to the directory where we have the code. Then type in the space file name .tcl. Here 50 nodes are created and the name the information in the root are updated with the starting messages time. This is the network animated window. Here only we see the information result. To see the result, maximize the window, and this is the network animated window, and these are the number of wireless nodes that created in the network. To run the simulation, click the play button. We can speed up the simulation process. Here the number of nodes are processed with the mobility. That is, each and every nodes have installed the IDS schemes and it moved along the transmission range throughout the network. Here the data communication is processed between the two nodes and the IDS scheme is processed between malicious nodes. These are the packets that drop in the network which are The node is considered as a malicious node. It is rated by the nodes, and the other normal nodes does not use their node to transfer the packet in the specific route to reach the destination. So it uses the other node as the route to transfer packet in the network. So all the packets are successfully transmitted. To see the performance results, close that window and back to the terminal window and type GNU plot graph name dot plot. Here this is the graph for the security level, which is compared with the detection rate. If we change the security level, the detection rate is calculated. For the existing system, detection rate is very less, but suppose the system improves the detection rate of the network. To see the another graph, type GNU plot graph name dot plot. This is the detection which is compared with the node speed. By varying the node speed, detection rate is calculated. As same as you see the another graph is the energy consumption, that is the security level is varied in the network and the energy consumption is calculated. The existing system have a higher energy consumption, but our proposed system much reduces the energy consumption of the overall network. Thus, the overall performance is increased than the existing system.